It's another day, boys. 4:30. Uncle Charles is coming around. But yeah, we're gonna hit the Tongariro. Gonna hit up Z first, go see our brother, the manager out there, Ash. Try a river we've never been, the famous Tongariro. Well, there he is. I'll see you. Clear gets good, like all the shots as well. Get hard. Whatever. Hey, brother. All good? How your day been? What pie you get, bro? That mustard cheese. Egg cheese. Pretty sure you gotta cross the river though, because that's the way it sort of bends around this way. Yeah. And you wanna be on that inside. I'm scared, bro. You're so natural. All good, J Money? Bro, you look like you're about to tell us like a real scary story. Oh, hey. Don't put that on the film, on this will kill me. What's going on, bro? Alright, let's give this spot a crack. Got him. Oh shit, that weed, bro. The weed. Yeah. I don't want him going down. Don't go down. Ah! Ah! Rats. Did it come through it? Must, I don't know. The whole thing slipped off. What's up, brother? Good action. Was it jumping way up? We're doing some mad flips on the bows. Oh, bro, that's a nice one. What's the hook on there? Natural, bro. My man. Oh, bro, that's a clean one. I'm stoked. Stoked as. Nice trout, bro. Beautiful. First one, eh? First one of the day? First one of the day, mate. Many more to come. Sponsored by Loop and Red Bull. Use code Charlie. Brother's getting us up some breakfast, boys. Got young Uncle Charlie on the chef duties today. Slamming some bacon back. These old fellas down here are like, what the fuck's that smell? Boys, what a setup. Off to a new spot, bro? Yeah, mate. Oh. Bruh, what the hell? Just talking. What is going on here, bro? Solid. Pretty cool. Tired up and oh yeah, little life. Bro, that's the life. Just try and fish the hatchery. Bro, what the hell's there a waterfall here? Wow. What a river. That's massive. Yeah, it's a deep pool, eh? Position here. Oh shit. Did you do that on purpose, kid? Huh?
Try that head off his line.
Sure, sure. Go, go, go. Go, Bill. Do you need a net, bro? Smack. Need a net? I got you. Alright. Nice. That's the one. That looks like a brown bro.
I can see it.
See? Oh no, remember that?
We'll do a river cross down there. It might be a little bit dodged. 5 pounder. Yeah. Oh, 4.7.
Did it hit in that fast water? Oh, yeah, that flashback. Oh, bro, that's mean ass. Got it. Bro, that's a nice one. That might be bigger than your... Bro, that's bigger than your other one. Alright, so... we are at the Hine. Didn't manage to catch anything at the Tongariro, so we just stopped at the Hine. And we're just gonna see if we can get ourselves a young one. Okay, that was the weakest set. Okay. 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 We're on. If I can just stay upstream from it, we'll be right. Bro, my reel's not even on, bro! Okay. Let me just work this out. Bro, you gotta get over that guy, bro. Get him! Oh, bro. Oh, bro, my reel came off. It just come off, bro. Oh.
I'd Loctite that, because does that have a double lock on it?
Here's my first trout. Super late in the day. Had to hit the Hine to get it. But fuck. Didn't get one on the Tongariro, but we got one on the Hine, so.